Hey friends, and welcome to the dollhouse. So today we're going to be unwrapping another MiniVerse. This one here I got as a gift from, I believe it was my husband for the holidays. So I wanted to share with you what it is that I got. So we're going to just start opening it up. So as you can see, we have another Target bag. I think this might be a repeat. I don't know. Actually, I have no clue what this is, but this is adorable. I love it. So now the girls can have shopping carts when they, or shopping baskets when they go shopping. And I believe this is a tray. Yep. Okay. Oh my gosh. Adorable. Oh. That's adorable. It's the little Bullseye mug. Open this up. Is the, oh, this is the little, what do you call those? The little sticks that go inside of it. And then, of course, the whipped cream topping. Very adorable. And just making sure what else is in here. Oh, what's this? Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, that's adorable. It's the little piping bag with the, oh my God. Oh my God, that is adorable. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, the little reindeer. Oh my God, this is so cute. The, what do you call these? Of course, the spoon, the tongs, and the bullseye topping. I'll put those in here so I don't lose them. And then this is, I'm assuming this is the resin that you would pour onto it, and it looks like a little oat milk container. It's plant-based. This is adorable. And then we also got some stickers. So this is going to be our second set of stickers. And then, of course, the tracker so that you can keep track of what it is that you collected. And I'm assuming this is the one we got here, which is the little Bullseye mug. So I'm just going to assemble this and then I'll come back.